when I was in high school, everyone I was with was also very, very much present on Facebook, on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Twitter. So these things were very popular among high school students. And I also used some of these social media websites when I was in high school as well. And at times they were distracting. They did sometimes get in the way of learning, of being with one another, with being with your classmates, being present with your classmates when you were in class or when you're in school. And I think it was definitely something that it's definitely a challenge that you have to think about when you're, trying to focus, when you're trying to be better students, when you're trying to be better members of your community. But I also think social media can sometimes help in bringing people together and in informing you and helping you learn. And I think you should have reasonable limits for yourself. So one thing that always helped me when I was in high school was setting a number of minutes or that I would be able to use my social media every day. So limiting myself to a certain time of the day, for instance, um, a certain amount of time in the evening or a certain amount of time after school where I would be able to use these, and then doing my very best to not use these during other times of the day. So I also think you can try to use social media in a way that will help you learn, will help you um, grow as a student or as a community member. And that may include, you know, looking for information, looking for, we can use social media for a different range of things. We can use it for entertainment, but we can also use it for learning as well. And so I would encourage you to think about how can I use social media in a way that helps me become a better student and become a better person.